Mansory, known for its extravagant and unique vehicle customizations, has introduced the Venatus S900, a hyper-SUV based on the Lamborghini Urus. This model is a testament to Mansory's dedication to pushing boundaries in design and performance, though it may polarize opinions with its bold aesthetics. The Venatus S900 is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, significantly enhanced to produce an astounding 900 horsepower and 811 lb-ft of torque. This power boost enables the SUV to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds, with a top speed of 200 miles per hour. Mansory has managed to extract an additional 260 horsepower from the Urus's original powerplant, showcasing their engineering prowess. The exterior of the Venatus S900 is nothing short of dramatic. Featuring a wide-body kit, the SUV is adorned with aggressive design elements, including large air intakes, a prominent front splitter, and extensive use of carbon fiber. The vehicle sits on enormous 24-inch forged wheels, and the eye-catching paint job ensures it will turn heads wherever it goes. Inside, the Venatus S900 continues the theme of opulence and exclusivity. The interior is replete with high-quality materials, including premium leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber accents. Mansory offers a range of customization options, allowing customers to tailor the cabin to their personal tastes. Unique touches such as bespoke embroidery and illuminated door sills further elevate the luxury experience. Despite its luxurious and performance-oriented focus, the Venatus S900 has been met with mixed reactions. Some critics argue that the SUV's styling is overly aggressive and kitschy, detracting from the elegance of the original Urus design. However, Mansory's loyal clientele appreciates the brand's bold approach and the exclusivity it offers. Mansory's Venatus S900 is priced significantly higher than the standard Lamborghini Urus, reflecting the extensive modifications and bespoke nature of the vehicle. This hyper-SUV caters to a niche market of affluent customers who seek extreme performance combined with a unique, attention-grabbing aesthetic. The unveiling of the Venatus S900 underscores Mansory's commitment to innovation and their ability to transform high-performance vehicles into extraordinary works of art. As the automotive industry continues to evolve, Mansory remains at the forefront of pushing design and performance boundaries.